So guys, how was your adventure in the Canton Fair? Are you still looking for new opportunities or new way of business? Today the video I'm going to show you a factory tour. It's something that you can do after the adventure you have. But I believe, let me take a seat. I think this is more comfortable. Actually, it's very comfortable. Anyway, I mean for chairs, you can have your own design, of course, or you can just buy what the factory they produce, or as we said that we have the OEM or ODM products. You can choose the style that the factory have. You can come to the showroom, or you can see the catalog, choose the design you like, choose the material you like, and put your logo. You can label it, and then it become your branding. Or you have your own design team. You can have an amazing design, and we do the ODM that we can create maybe very top sell chair, and which this was in the gaming chair. The gaming chair was different design that will catch the eyes, and then will bring a very good sell. That make it very popular. As everybody knows that the gaming chair is very popular in the world, so here they also produce gaming chair, and for sure, I want to try. I want to take a try for different kinds. So I choose one that is with the material I like, as I said before, that I like the fabric material, and then what I feel like I can also adjust, like in the car, that I can adjust. I'm not sure if how much I can put down. Okay. Then I can take a nap. So I think this is quite good. That is very popular. Sometimes if you want to take a nap in the office, during the breaking time or whatever, this is also an option. Of course, I'm not telling you to be lazy. It's just me. Okay, anyway, here also you can do like up and down, like this. Yeah. Is it? Okay, up and down.
Left and right.
Oh, left and right also.
Yes, yes.
Ah, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. This can be left and right. Okay, and then can turn around to adjust with your hands whenever position you want. And then this is actually very comfortable. I never imagined that a gaming chair can be a comfortable I come to the second factory, and this factory, that what attract me is they said they have a new material, like an anti-dirty material to show me for the chairs, that I think that can be very nice. So if we have anti-dirty material to make the chair, then we can avoid many situations that we show, like the clients go to our office and then we have a dirty chair, or when we just accidentally spill some coffee on the chair and then we have to buy a new chair. So that will be a very good solution for the material of the chair, and that's why I decided to check for another factory to take a look to